Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Also, I'm doing the 3 off of 15. But first of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. The deals are okay, but they're not the greatest, but they're okay. So let's go ahead and get to this video because I don't know what's going on with Dollar Generals in my area. They're just a hot mess. Some of them don't have nothing in stock. Some of them, the stock is still in the boxes because they done left them there. They don't have really no employees to do what they need to do. And it's just a mess. A mess. So let's go ahead and let me tell you what I got. All right, so you see I have 3 boxes of cereal, right? You see 1 Lucky Charms and 2 Tricks, okay? I said, let me get these cereal because I didn't want I'm always getting the cinnamon toast crunch, cinnamon grams or whatever, and Cheerios. So I was like, let me get some Tricks because I like Tricks and I like Lucky Charms because they are also on, they are $3.25. I thought they was, you know, but you really can't go by the prices on the shelf. The 2 for $5, you really can't go for that. So I was like, I went ahead and clipped the 3 off of $1, the $1 off of 3, and then $1.50 off of 3. I didn't click the $1 off of 2 because I said I did not want that to come off. I wanted the, you know, the one with the 3 to come off. Either way it went, it would have came off, but I wanted to use the $1.50 off of 3, okay? But yeah, it did not happen that way. Why he only rung up 2 of my cereal, and when I got in the car, I was like, why am I, you know, my subtotal should have been a little bit cheaper. But I was like, I looked at it, I said, he only rung up 2. And I see why, because all the boxes are red. So I'm thinking that's the reason why he just seen red and thinking, you know, but you know, you can always count 1, 2, 3. But anyway, so these are $3.25. If my digitals had came off, they would have been a little bit cheaper, but that's fine, okay? The next thing is the Visine. This Visine, you can find it in the trial size up at the front if they have it, or on the shelf. Mine was in the shelf. This Visine is $2.95, and there is a $1.50 off digital coupon that attached. The next thing is this Dollar General Health Triple Antibody Ointment. Let's see, that is $2.60. There is a $1 off digital coupon that came off. The next thing is the Icy Hot, and this is the roll. I was trying to see if the one that was cheaper, that I think it was like $3 and something, it did not attach to the digital coupon. But this one is $4.75, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach, and that did come off. Then the last thing is the Palmolive. This is 46 ounce. This is the big boy. It is $4.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So after, like I said, he scanned only 2 of my cereal. But after he scanned the rest of the items, I put in my number. All the digitals came off that was supposed to come off, which none of the digitals came off for my Tricks. And that's because, like I said, he only scanned 2 of them instead of 3 because my coupon, you had to scan 3, okay? So, my subtotal was, y'all, $10.30, which should have been $2 cheaper, but that's fine. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. All right. Y'all see, there is the tricks right there. He scanned both of them. Then there's my Palmolive. There is my Icy Hot. There is the antibiotic. There is the Vaccine. And there is, yeah, the coupon came out for the Vaccine. So, and then my 3 off of 15 did come off also. So my subtotal, look, was $10.30. And then this is how much I saved, was $11. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Melinda's Channel.